Is your Chevy Suburban key fob not working? The most common cause is a dead battery. You'll need a CR232 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or a key fob opening tool. Gently pry open the case at the seam, being careful not to damage the plastic. The CR2032 battery sits inside. Note the orientation, plus side up. Remove the old battery and insert the new one. Ensure the positive plus side faces up towards the circuit board. Snap the case back together securely. A loose case can be temporarily fixed with clear tape, but consider replacing the fob for long-term reliability. If the remote still doesn't work, it may be a deeper issue. If the battery replacement doesn't solve the problem, there could be internal damage, especially to the ribbon cable, if the fob has been forced open before. DIY repairs have a high success rate, 80% if it's only a battery issue. However, torn ribbon cables or immobilizer faults require professional help. Dealer costs can be $50 to $100 for a new fob or reprogramming. Cold climates can shorten battery life, so consider replacing the battery every 1 to 2 years. Always dispose of old lithium batteries responsibly. Note: a 2024 recall affected some 2015-2018 models due to software bugs causing key fob failure. If you suspect this, contact your Chevy dealer. While newer Suburbans use digital keys, older models rely on these CR2032 batteries, so proper maintenance is essential.